Overflow protection is the first add-on to our custom shower pans. Its discreet design makes it unique and a common add-on to our barrier-free entryways.
Remember when choosing an entry to consider overflow protection. Overflow protection is most commonly installed in ramping and sloping entries. Overflow protection helps you to not limit your design ideas to certain entry points because you are worried about water overflow.
Overflow protection greatly increases the benefits of barrier-free entryways because of its ability to better limit excess water overflow and add ease of entry for individuals with limited mobility.
Where traditional overflow protection systems often have sealant issues and frequently have to be maintained and replaced, Grifform's award-winning overflow protection system even contributes to the visual design and requires little to no maintenance.